In case control instruction, be study about switch statement. Switch is a statement, not loop. Syntax. Syntax of switch. Switch, small bracket, condition or expression. Switch is open, case space constant 1, colon, statements, case constant 2, colon, statements, case constant 3, colon, case constant 3, colon, statements, dot dot, so many times. Depends upon requirement. These cases may be many times. And switch statement is closed here. This is the syntax of switch statement. In switch statement, there is a keyword switch, small bracket, which is also known as parenthesis. In small bracket, it is either condition or expression. Okay. Then keyword case. This is the keyword. Case is a keyword. Case blank constant 1. There are some statements related to this case. Another case constant 2. This is the colon. There are set of statements related to this case. Again, there is a case constant 3, colon. There are set of statements related to this case. And so many times, depends upon requirement. Okay, switch is open here and close here. Switch is a statement, not loop. int I equal to 2, switch I case 1 is a case constant. This is the keyword case blank space constant, that is the 1, colon. This case may have many statements. It may have 0 statement, 1 statement, more than 1 statements. Okay, printf hello. Case constant 2. This is the case. There is a space. Here is a 2 is a constant, case constant, and this is the colon. There are some statements related to this case. Printf hi. Another case 3, printf by. Okay, switch is closed here. main is closed here. Class, this is the switch block. Switch is a statement. Okay, here there are three cases: case 1, case 2, case 3, and each case there is a single statement. Printf hello semicolon. Actually statement is terminated by semicolon, so this is the statement, and this is the colon. You should notice it. This is the colon, this is the colon, and this is the comma. Okay, so this is the example on switch case. Here program execution start with main, control go to this statement, int I equal to 2, 2 is a constant, I is a variable, int is a data type. By default here is a signed, and by default it is auto storage class. Okay, so int I equal to 2, switch small bracket, this is the condition. This is the condition or expression. Here there is a condition or expression. Case constant 1. This condition or this expression is matched with constant, and the case whose constant is matched with this condition, the case whose constant matched with this condition, set of statements related to that case will be executed. Okay, so here int I equal to 2, I have value 2, so here I means indirectly here is 2. 2 is matched with 1, no. 2 is matched with 2, yes. So case 2 is matched, so this set of statement will execute. There is a one statement, output is high. Okay, here is no break statement, so subsequent cases will also true. Subsequent cases means here case 3. Successor cases will also true, so case 3 will also true. Printf by, result is high and by. Okay class, so this is example. Suppose you write break keyword at each case. Class, we write here break. Break is a keyword. Okay, so we write break here in case 1. Now case 1 have two statements, printf and break. There is semicolon. Statement is always terminated by semicolon. So there is statement, there is also statement. So case 1 has two statement and case 2 has single statement, but we also write here break keyword, semicolon. Now it has also two statement. In last case there is no need to mention break, but if you want then you can also write. Now we are going to write break. It is optional. In last case has optional. Okay, break is optional. So here now what will be the output? I have value 2, indirectly here is 2, condition is true, condition is 2. Okay, this 2 is matched with 1, no. This 2 is matched with 2, yes. Means case 2 is satisfied or true. Now statements related to this case will execute. So high is printed here because there is high, so control go to there, high is printed here. Here is a break. When control comes to break take out the control outside the switch statement. So when control encountered at break takes the control outside the switch statement. So when control come to break take the control outside the switch statement, and result only high. Now result only high. But in previous program, when there is no break, then result is high and by. When you do not write the break statement, when a case will true, then subsequent cases will also true. Okay, if you are not writing break statement. but when you write the break at each case, then only true case will execute, not successor. So in this case, result is high. One thing more, there is also default case. Class, there is also default case. Suppose i's value is 4 here. Suppose I have value 4. Now here is 4 match with 1, no. 4 match with 2, no. 4 match with 3, no. What will be the output? Nothing. There is no output now. There is no output. But this program is true. This program is right. There is no problem in this program, but there is no output. Because I have value 4, here is 4. 4 does not to any case. Okay? So there is no output, but this program is true. In that scenario, if you want to give a message that you have entered wrong choice, you have entered wrong value, so in that case there is a default. Default is optional. Default is optional. Default is a case. Default colon. This is the case. Default is also a case. Default colon, and write the something that you want. Printf, you have entered wrong choice. Class, in last case there is no need to mention break statement. If you want to mention, then you can, because default is the last case. Here is a switch is closed here, main is a closed here. Okay, default is the last case. Now you may write break here, but if you do not write the break, then there is no need, then there is no problem. So now what will be the output? Output will be you have entered wrong choice, because I have value 4, here is 4 does not match to 1, 2, 3. 4 does not match to any case except default. When any case of switch does not match, then that scenario by default case will execute. So I have value 4. In this scenario, case 1, case 2, case 3 does not match. In this scenario, default will match. When none of case of switch statement will satisfy or true, in that scenario default case will execute. So here printf, you have entered the wrong choice. Now output is you have entered the wrong choice, because 4 does not match to any of the case except default. Default is executed when none of switch case will satisfy the condition. Okay, in that scenario default will execute. Default is optional. Default is used to make the program more readable, more understandable. Otherwise default is optional. There is no need. If you do not want to write default, then you cannot. Then it's your wish. Now some another problem. Void main int I equal to 4 switch I case 4 printf case 3 colon printf hello break case 1 printf hi break case 4 colon printf by here is break here is colon default case printf wrong choice switch is closed here, main is closed here, switch block is closed here and main is open here, closed here. So I have 4, here is 4 match to 3 no, 4 match to 1 no, 4 match to 4 yes, result is by, output is by. Okay, in this case default will not execute, default execute when none of the switch case will true. In that scenario default will execute. So in this scenario 4 match to this, so default will not execute. Okay, but if you remove the break here, then default will also execute, because there is no break statement, then subsequent case will also execute, successor case will also execute. If you write break keyword, then when control comes to break takes the control outside the switch block. This is the bracket of switch, closing bracket of switch. So when control comes to break take the control outside the switch state. So here output is by. Okay, class, in this program there is one thing more. Here is 3, here is 1, here is 4. Means there is no need of ordering in case. Okay, case, it's not necessary case will be in increasing order. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6 in increasing order. There is nothing such as. There is nothing as such. You may write any case at any place. You may write case 3 first, you may write case 22 first, you may write case 100 first. Okay, it's on your wish with what you want to write. Either you want to write case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, or you want to write case 3, case 9, case 1, case 0, case 1, like this. Okay, so result is by. If you remove break, if you remove the break, then result will be by as well as wrong choice. Class, here is char ch is kind of %c %ch. Okay, switch condition is ch here. Here there is no semicolon. case A, printf hello, break, case star, this is the character constant, colon, printf hello break, case 7, printf hi. Switch is closed here, main is closed here. Class, here you can see case constant is different. In previous programs, case constants are integer, but here case constants are character constant. Case space A is a character constant, okay? This asterisk is a character constant. 7 is a character constant here because there is a left inverted comma and both comma is left and both commas inverted. So 7 is not integer value. 7 is constant here because it is enclosed within left inverted commas. So there is a three case A, case asterisk and case 7. All three cases are character constant. Okay. Here char ch is a character variable. %c %ch. Here user input the character constant through the keyword, through the keyboard. Suppose user input A. So A is a character constant, A is character and inputted in ch. Ch supplied here as a here ch is a condition. Here ch, here this is condition or expression. So we write here ch has value A that user has supplied through the keyword. So this A match to this A. So hello will be printed, and when control come to break take out the control from the switch block. So here output is hello. Suppose user has input character asterisk from the keyboard. Now ch has asterisk. Ch does not match to this. Ch match to this. So result is hello and hello. Now result is hello and hello. Now suppose user has input 7. This 7 is not integer because here is %c. So this 7 is input here as a character constant. When this 7 come to as a character to receive in ch, here is ch, that is a condition or expression here. In this bracket, this is the condition or expression. So it has 7 as a character constant. 7 match to this, no. 7 match to this, no. 7 match to this character constant. Now output is high. In this time output is high. Okay. Suppose user has input has is a character inputted here. Here is a has does not match to this, does not match to this, does not match to this. In this scenario program is right, but there is no output. When user supply a character constant that does not match to any case, in that scenario there is no result because there is no default case. If you supply other than these constant, other than these constant you supply anything result, there is no result. There is no result because you have not write the default case. Okay. So class, from this program we have learned that case can be integer constant or character constant. Okay. One thing there is a need to notice that each case may have several statements. Suppose case A have statement 1 and 2, because this is the statement, because statement terminated by semicolon. This is also a statement because this is terminated by semicolon. Case A has two statements. Case asterisk has two statements. Case 7 has one statement. Okay, means each case may have several statements. It may have 0 statement, it may have 1 statement, and it may have several statements. Okay, there may be so many statements here. What you want to write, you may write anything, even a full paragraph also, or calculate anything here. So each case may have number of statements. It may be 0 statement, it may be 1 statement, it may be several statements. So, and case constant can be either integer constant or character constant. Here this is a program where case constant is a character constant. This is the character constant, this is the character constant, this is character constant. Previous programs have integer constant. Okay. So class, each case may have several statements, you can see here, and several case may have single statement also. For example, CH, for example, char CH scanf %C %CH switch CH here case is A switch is closed, main is closed. Okay, here this is the program in which each statement has several cases. Each case may have several statements, and each statement may have also several cases. For example, here char CH scanf %C %CH, CH is here, and this CH is matched with this, either this or this, either this or this. Okay, so we can see here are two cases, case constant R, capital R, case constant small r. If user input either small r or capital R, in both cases printf will execute, this printf will execute. Okay, so class here we see each case may have several statements and each statement may have several cases. Okay, this is the example. Here there are two cases with single statement. There are two cases with single statement. Okay, when user will input b, small b, then blue b, then printer print the blue. And user input here capital B, then it also print the blue. Class, problem is write a program in C to make a simple calculator which can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. using the concept of switch statement. Class, this is a program of simple calculator. Here we implement the concept of addition, subtraction, division using the switch statement. Okay, class, void main int num1 num2, okay, char op. There are three variables. One is a num1 num2, both variable are the integer type, and third one is a op, that is the character type. Okay class, printf enter the operands and operator. So this one is the operand, these are the operands, this one is the operator. So here %d, %c, %d. Class, this one is the operand first, this one is the operator, this one is the operand second. Okay class, when you enter the two numbers, operand 1, operand 2, then you cannot hit the space because space is a character. Okay, so when you hit the space, then this space is placed here. So you do not need to hit the space. You enter the number, then enter the character, that is the plus, minus, division, subtraction. Okay, not space. If you hit the space to separate two operands, then space will be here and there will be no operator. Okay, so class, enter the first number, enter the operator, enter the second number. Okay, here is a %num1, user input here 10. Suppose here is a %, operand op, that is the operator. Suppose user input plus, here is a num2, suppose user input here 20. So 10 plus 20 means you have to input two numbers plus one operator through the scanf. Two operand and one operator through the scanf here. And we pass this character. %c basically used to input this character, and this character is passed here. This is the op char variable. So whatever you have input here is placed here basically. Okay, suppose you have placed here %c used here to print the to input the plus, so plus will be here. Class, okay, suppose user input here 10 and here you input the plus and here input the 20 here. So here is a 10, here is a plus, here is a 20. So plus is a here because op is a variable, that is the char type, and here user input the character constant. Suppose character constant is plus, so plus will be here, and this plus match all the cases, and the case that is true will execute here. So suppose user place here 10, here user input 10, here user input plus, here user input 20, suppose, so here will be plus, so this plus match with this plus. Class, we can take the integer, we can take the case constant, either integer constant or character constant. So this is the character constant. We can take the character constant as a case constant. So this is the valid. Suppose here is a plus, so plus here match, so this set of code will execute. So result will be, here is a 10, here is a 20, here is a plus, 10 plus 20, 30. 30 is assigned here, assigned to C. Printf %c here 30 will be printed, and break takes the control outside the switch block. Okay, switch block is here, closed here. Switch is open here and closed here. Class, switch is open here, close here. Suppose user input the multiplication. Suppose user input here 10, here you input the multiplication, and here input the 20. So to multiplication symbol is here. This multiplication symbol match is with this, no. Match with this, no. Match with this, yes. So here this case will be matched. So this set of statement will be executed. int c equal to num1 into num2, 10 into 20, that is the 200. This 200 assigned to c, printf %dc 200 will be printed, and break take the control outside the switch block. So break take the control outside the switch block. When user input a character, when user input here a character that is other than plus, minus, multiplication, division. So in that case default will be executed. Okay class, suppose user input this is also character. Suppose user input @. So @, here, but there is a no character constant, that is @ in case constant. There is a no character constant, that is the @. Okay, so no case will be executed here. So by default case will be executed. Printf wrong operator, because this is the not operator. So wrong operator. This will message pop up on your screen. Okay, so class, this is a program to make a simple calculator using switch statement. Class, in this program, one thing you have to note, that here is a %d, %c, %d. Here you have to input first number 10, then plus, then 20. Please do not give space here, because space is also character. So space will be here. In that case you cannot input another character in that case. Okay, so when you input the number here, do not give the space. Just here give any number here, any operator here, and any second number here. Do not give the space to separate two numbers, because space is also character. So space character will be here inputted rather than any operator. So this is the simple program, simple calculator using the switch statement. Class, in default case executed when none of case will be executed. Default case executed when none of case will be true. In that case default will be executed. You can also write here break if you want, but break here, to write break is here optional. To write break here is optional, because this default is the last case. That's why there is no need to write here break. Class, you can write default anywhere. You can write this default here also. It's not necessary that default should be at the bottom. Okay, default case may be anywhere in the program, and default is optional. You cannot write the default also. If you want that default there should be no default case, then you can remove. Okay, so default is optional. Default may be anywhere in the program, and to write break in the default is also optional. You may write here break, otherwise this is the last case, so control exit from here.